Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. And in this video we are going to talk about Figma Buzz, another feature announced during Config 2025. I have already made a 25-minute video tutorial where you can master Figma Draw completely. And right now, in this video, I'm going to explain what actually Figma Buzz is, right? So there's a bit concerns about like Figma Buzz is exactly doing the same thing that Canva do or Adobe Express do. I would like to say yes, it's quite similar thing, but here we have few extra things as well that we are going to talk about right away, right? So when you enter into Figma Buzz, that is again available right on the front of like front page of the Figma, and when you will click on the Figma Buzz, you will land on this kind of a screens, right? So here we have few options. Explores from portfolio work. Here you have to upload your like portfolio. Like work you already did, right? And in explore we have few options here. Right at the top we have like for Instagram, for Facebook, for X, and also this is the one that is quite different from the Canva don't have any, I think, any precise site for the Google ad. You can uh, search and let me know in the comment if it is already available or not, but I'm sure I don't think so that that is available right there, right? You can click on the market asset, and here you have a, like a lot of different sizes. You can choose any of them. In case even though you are looking for the zooms background, you can search right here. We have few blank name tags, right, and few other stuff as well. And even though you have an option to select like your own customized size as well, right? So let's quickly again, if I go into the assets, right, and then we were having few other option as well related to few Instagram posts, right? Maybe whatever the story you have, like Instagram ads, then Instagram reel cover, then Facebook post, right? Similarly, Facebook cover page, Facebook event cover, and a lot of stuff is there. You can search Google medium rectangle ad. So if in case you want to use any template right from here, you can just click on this one and it will add right away into your canvas, right? So here you just need to check one more thing. If I just delete this custom size and I click on few ads right here, it will keep adding in a different way on the same board, right? But here I have control as well. If right in the view mode, if I click on this list mode or asset view, now it has changed into the assets one. So in case if I add this one and then add anything here, that is not going to replicate, or that is not going to show on other portions or other like design asset that we have, right? And in case if I change the colors right from here, and I'm going to change it into the YouTube banner now, and if I add anything into YouTube banner, if I search here and just quickly if it shows me some YouTube banner, I'm going to click this one, right? And now it has added to this one, right? Now if you see, they are not like the size of the other asset is again quite like uh, quite like it didn't affect it. Basically it didn't affect the other design assets, right? Here we have few options. If I select like this untitled, you have sizes, then you have like the background colors, right? Then we have no borders or borders, and if I go into the solid border and then right here from I choose the colors, so now it is not showing me because it already has like the objects on it, right? And then we have few like AI options here. I can rewrite this one, or I can translate to another basically language as well. Now if you see, it hasn't changed the name right here, but it has like implemented okay, so changes here. I'm not sure why it is lagging, but it must need to change to any other language as well. So let's quickly change it into the French. I'm hopeful that it has like it will do effect, and yes, it has done completely, right? So you can just click on control D to duplicate, and now you have an option to duplicate this one as well. So if you want to keep it translate into the Dutch language, now you have a control to convert your ad into the Dutch language as well quickly, right? So that's a pretty good thing, and really appreciated by the Figma. And if I select this one, now I have few option here. If okay, so if I draw anything right here, the R, and then I select here, I have few options. I have like the color fill, whatever the color you want to fill. Like if you click on the further color, you have an options, and in case if you want to add your gradient, you can add, and then you have an image as well. So you can choose any image right from here, or maybe you have like the control of that image as well. In case if you want to change few properties, and now we have few other option as well, to make a new image or to edit new image with the AI as well. And if in case you want to like upload an image, you just need to click on this one, and it will take you to your system to upload that image right away. Okay, then we have few options to like changes of the image, as we have in the Figma design: fit, fill, and crop. And then we have rotating that image, flipping that image either into vertical or horizontal state. Then we have borders. So here you have an option to like change the borders of the image as well, dash color or whatever you want. And then we have the radius right away here. Okay, and then we have effects as well. In case if you want to like choose use the opacity, then we have shadows, right? We have blurs, right? This is again the progressive blur that Figma just introduced. And then we have overlay as well. In case if you add any overlay on the image right at the top, it will like affect the image as well in the overlay form, right? Few options here I think we already did, but in case if we like click on this one, and if I go into here, and then I just need to change the colors here, right? And then I select now. Okay, one more thing, there is there's an option to add the text. We will discuss this later on, but we have few shapes here as well. So if I bring this shape here, so this is the shape, right? And I have selected this shape, and I'm going to like make an image. And let's quick birthday cake. I beg my pardon for the spelling mistake. Okay, uh, Sadiq Hussain written on it. Just again a simpler thing. I'm not going to use like a lot of messy stuff, but let's see how actually it works. Okay, so Figma, come on, do it quickly, please. We need to design a lot of stuff more. But okay, till then it like creates the stuff here. Let's quickly jump here. You have an options to position your assets wherever you want to position, and then you have like the lock option as well. So you will, when you will lock your position, so it will like you will not be able to move it towards another position, to left align, to the right align, wherever you want, right? So that's actually okay. Blocked. I'm not sure why I did, but Figma, come on, that's really bad. But okay, okay, that's cool. But here you have an options to choose a few models as well: GPT model 1, Google Imagen 3, and Titan version 2. So let's try it with Titan version 2. I'm not sure how actually. Okay, it is again saying me that you're blocked. Oh wow, why? That's bad, Figma. That's really bad. But okay, let's see how actually it comes out in this way. Then we have few other options. Okay, it has blocked me. I'm not sure why, but that the reason could be anything. But we have few other options here. The one is like this title. Sorry, the text. Boom. Okay, so keep in mind, these here you have an option to fill color of the text. Right here you have like the radius of the text. Sorry, the border of the text as well, and then you have the dash color as well. So if I want to keep it solid in this way, really good. Then we have few options right here, like the related font. Then same font size and other few like fonts properties. Then we have effect, shadows, opacity, blur, and everything. And then we have few options here as well related to AI. In case you want to shorten your text, you want to rewrite your text, or you want to translate your text into any other language. So Tagalog, I'm not sure Tagalog what actually the language, what exactly the language is, but here we have the bullet list, the number list, letter spacing, the kerning, the positioning, and everything right here, right? Right at the bottom, we have few other option here as well. The move tool, quite familiar, the hand tool, the comment tool, and we have like enter into the design tool as well. So you can now switch directly into the design mode where you have all the property of the designing Figma design as well, right? I don't want to move yet, but okay. So you can quickly toggle between design mode and the Figma Buzz as well, right? So let's quickly go into one of the template that I added right here, and I really want to show you few one thing, and that the insert are basically the sticker libraries. You can scroll between them. There's a lot of sticker libraries available within the Figma if you just like click any of them. So let's click, if I clicked on this one and I really want to use this little I'm not sure what exactly do I need to call it, but okay, it brought another thing. It placed just within that icon, and keep in mind that that is another auto load precision as well, and you have like an access to each and every element in it, and you can change the color of everything, whatever you want to change, right? So you have like a clear layer based structures in it, and you can change the colors. Really looking really bad, but somehow in this it looks really cool, right? Then the best thing here is added content. So added content is actually one of the most important thing in this Figma Buzz, and that is because when sometime you share your design file with your stakeholder, with your clients, and they want to change the content, right? They can totally create the mess of the design as well. But Figma come up with a proper solution. So always bringing solution to the tables. Thank you, Figma. So right here now you have, they don't need to like tackle with the design stuff, right? They don't need to create the mess in the design. They just need to change anything here, right? Write anything here. So it will just like adjust the design according to that text, right? So meet let's Sadek, right? A dream team uh, for design. Right now you can see it has just like came out of the place, so we just need to adjust it accordingly, right? And higher now, and here it basically, let's quickly change one more thing right here. So UIX Sadek, right? Okay, so these are the things that Figma Buzz have, but one thing is remaining. Yeah, you can quickly change the pictures here as well. You have like an option to change the properties of the picture. You can either want to like edit picture, or you can create an image with AI. And when it comes to the edit picture, you can like ask remove the image to the project, or what like that object or whatever it is. You can edit it, and you can also upload your own image as well, but it is showing me you are blocked. I'm not sure why. That's really poor Figma, but let's see. I'm hopeful that it's the bug, not another issue, but let's see. Okay, so now let's quickly jump into one more important thing, and that is creating the bulk create, right? So, what exactly the bulk create is, let's discuss that one. Let me quickly. Okay, this is the customized size. I'm not going to use the customized size. I'm going to use the Figma portrait right here, and let's quickly uh, find any design template right here, and I want to show you the bulk create as well. So let's, okay, so let's talk about the Figma bulk creating here. So let me add something right away here. So I really want to show you something interesting. And the bulk create is it is basically like when you want to create anything related to like the cards. When you want to create like any informations where you have like multiple team members with the different pictures and everything, right? So you just need to click on the bulk, create here, and you can like upload any Google Sheet, Excel, CSV upload. So I have like a CSV form here that with the animal list. So here basically I have three portion. One is their animal general name, other is specific name, and the third one is descriptions, right? So if I when I will click on the name, like I just need to select the specific part and then will click on the name. So now name is linked with this specific the place, right? Then similarly, if I click on the bottom, I'll going to click on the scientific name, and right here, I'm going to attach the descriptions. Now we have like descriptions, right? And I have like around 10 animals and details. I don't have pictures in that list. In case if we have like pictures, I can quickly attach the picture as well. You can try at your own, and it is going to replace the pictures with the alternative 10 different assets as well. So when I will click on create 10 assets, now you will be able to see that it has created around 10 assets having proper different design, right? So now you can see tiger, their scientific name, and then the detailed description of that particular animal as well. Same great white sharks, and then scientific name, then the descriptions and everything. So this is pretty good thing in Figma, because now it is going to help me to create bulk materials for promotions for teams and everything. Now you just need to like enter your data into the CSV file, and then just attach it to like the Figma Buzz, and choose any specified template for what do you want to create, and then you can quickly create any design like assets based on the total data regulation. So this is Figma Buzz, a new feature updated in Figma Fig 2025. In case if you want to like get notified and videos I'll be making related to Figma, just do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.